Hey guys, welcome to yet another unboxing video, and this time it's the OnePlus 8 Pro. Look at this massive box, and I promise you the product inside the OnePlus Pro is an equally amazing phone. So without further ado, let's quickly unbox this phone. Yes, this is the device. I'm going to be opening it in the end, the best things as I say in the end. Let's quickly see what else is there in the box. Of course, you get a phone case, you get a charging cable, and of course a warp charger. And now let's see the phone that you've waited enough. This is the beautiful OnePlus 8 Pro. So look at this design, it's an amazing, beautiful looking phone. You have a little bit of a branding here, OnePlus, and of course OnePlus branding here. Right on top of this branding is a 3-camera module perched right in the middle of the phone. Of course, you have some of these sensors here as well. On the left hand side of the phone, you have the volume up and down buttons. Right here is the power button, and of course, if you want to put it on silent or on vibrate mode, that button is right here. Let me show you the display. Look at the display. It's very punchy, like look at the colors, just look at them. They are extremely bright, extremely vibrant. And of course the saturation is also very great. The saturation is just up till the point. Let me show you how it color corrects. So for example, this is the actual my setup here, and look how OnePlus has automatically corrected, how this phone's camera has automatically corrected the colors right here. The red here is looking brighter than it is indeed in actual life. The white is not burning out, interestingly. It's just increased the brightness, but it's not burning out as would happen in most of the cases if there is enough light. So I'm actually trying all of these modes. Look at these. It's just amazing. I clicked this picture a little while back, and I'm just zooming in because it has amazing zooming capabilities as well. And still, if you see, it's not grainy. Even though I zoomed it quite a bit, it's still not grainy. Just look at the back ones. It's a matte glacial green color, which makes the phone look really premium. And what adds to the premiumness of the phone is also the fact that it's a metal base. It's not plastic, it's not glass, but it's a metal base. And even if you look at the sides, although the phone is pretty big, even if you look at the sides, it's pretty slim and sleek, and that's why it looks very premium. So take a good look at the device, take a good look at what else was there in the box, and I hope you like this unboxing video. And if at all you want me to do a more detailed video on the specs of the phone, on the performance of the phone, you of course have to stay tuned to this space.
Are we gonna play now? Ready for the show? I'm about to take down, you already know. Get the